Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, alarm. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.